I want to get on a jet ski.
Bring your woman back. Get your woman back. All right.
See, I'm in the game. I should have.
Whoa!
Somebody put it down.
Whoa, you gonna get banned? You just got back.
You got a girl too.
I told him I just want him gone.
Move for my CJ, please. What you say?
Me.
Yeah, say.
Me. Me. You just like him stay with me tonight.
Tell her now.
I can't go without my drug.
Cause you was not alright.
I'm gonna let you take the wheel tonight.
Let her take it.
We know what we doing wrong. Girl, it feels so right.
Bro, what the fuck? Got you back.
What?
Hold on, what happened, Mike? Where the is you going?
On my own jet ski.
Huh?
On my own jet ski.
There's two?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, I'm coming with you.
You need a life vest.
Hey, let me get a light base.
You was over there ripping your shirt. You said this was your last shirt.
You was finna go with
You see this? No. I was gonna go on my own.
Nah, it's cool, it's cool.
I'm going on my own.
What? I'm coming back, bro. I'm coming back. I'm just gonna go for a little bit. Which one?
Yo. Hey, what was she saying? She was gonna go. She was gonna ride on his lap. Hey, you got the mic?
I know. It's right here.
Oh my gosh, my feet are burning. What the fuck? Step on my feet.
Nah, I'm going dolo.
Step on my feet.
You wanna go by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, do something for me. Take off the rope off the handlebars.
Get on that too.
So what?
The rope off the handlebars. Pull it up. Look, Diddy. Take it off the handlebar. Pull it up.
That's what I'm trying. I got it.
Hey, you know you got the mic, right?
Yeah, I ain't gonna drop it. I bet. I ain't gonna go too far, y'all, cause I can't.
Damn, dog.
You wanna take this one?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna get on there where?
Hey,
I just bought that one. I'm gonna get on that where?
hey, that's Ben.
You said what?
Y'all,
This?
over here.
Y'all gotta go pay it. Go pay it. I just bought that one. I just bought that one.
You gonna get on there where?
No.
Oh, that's how you go forward.
Well, y'all send my money back. Yeah, they didn't pay. Send my
So I
money
take
back.
it out to go backwards.
Y'all, I'm not waiting. I just paid. Y'all go pay. Get your little ass around. We got y'all more skis.
Wait, cause I.
Yeah, y'all get on that one. I did a
Uno.
I the chat talking about y'all see me ripping and running, man. Y'all see me ripping and running. Y'all can see me. I might have catch up with Deshae though. Hell no. Race, he gonna fall. He's trying to race, I'm cool. I played these games before. Y'all never ran, y'all ever fell off a jet ski? This shit is not fun.
He still got his mic, y'all, but.
What up?
Oh, y'all can hear him?
Oh my god! That's so cute!
Look. Here. That's fire. That's crazy. I'm not done yet. Nah. I was just coming by the camera here.
Like it?
Yeah, it's fire. It's fire. I gotta go for one more spin or two. You ain't getting on, Ben? You ain't getting on, Mikey? Mikey.
Deshae them snatch my shit.
La que no está, hay una que no está tocada.
Got his phone still, so I hope he ain't dropping it. So. It's just the two of us now.
It's hot as a.
Give me some of that vagina.
Feel my body burn.
Yo!
The blue one?
Ready, hold on. Ready.
Nah, it's out of. Damn, y'all the mic.
Ah!
Alright, I'm finna get off. I'm finna get off, yeah.
I can't get back. I don't know how to get back over there.
Come to jump in and put it with me.
I got it.
Curtis.
Huh?
Hey, I want to get on. I need a license. Fucking Ben, y'all.
Here it is.
With it, Mikey with it.
Gracias.
Grab the life jacket in the back. Oh shit.
Yo, I can get on.
Heavy.
Mikey, you want to get on? You want to
Yeah, I will. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. You wanna come? I wanna ride too. I don't know how you drive. I ain't gonna lie. So get on with me.
reverse ain't regular.
It's a pool? Oh, she is strong one. Say less. Where's the other? Give her the life. Can I get the life jacket?
Let's go.
Excuse me. Can I get the life jacket? I don't look like fashion statement.
I ain't know you did it. Hold on.
Never been no phony though. Rollies for my brody though. Barely go to rodeo. Heard they looking for me. I'm like, oh, I'm on the way. Bond money, know I'm straight. I spent 130K out the gate. They like swerve. Stay safe. Yelling freeway. I'm in the crib all day. I'm in Cali thinking how I come from busy hallways. Long as I never go back, I'm that nigga always. You know that. Been having these amps, but they taught me not to show that. Before that, like a throwback. Soon as this shit go left, I'ma throw back. And I could have bought the rolls last year, but instead I bought a full flag. There's no bat. No bat from Chicago, I'm so rap. Motivation for the drippers, cause I'm full black. Real no lemon, so we don't play battle rules. How the fuck I catch a case, we bought a school. Don't be fooled, you fools. On the gram reading comments, I'm like, ooh, cool. So they want me to say, goddamn. Like I can't say what I won't say, I'll say. Jump in the truth. But when you put it on my name, gotta put the proof. Like charging the game. I got feelings. Should be difficult. Still visual. Me and JB just been talking about position. Checking on my analytics, shit get digital. Yo, just step on my it ain't consensual. G-Herbo, 2-5 album coming soon.